Hello everyone. Today we will practice Kibon 일보 basic pattern number 1 through this video. Kibon 일보 basic pattern number 1 is the first pattern in our taekwondo class you will learn. When you start learn taekwondo pattern, it could be very difficult and confused. So I break down each movement in small pieces. I hope you can follow my movement step by step and it helps your self-training. In the end of the tutorial, I will demonstrate whole pattern through as well. So let's start. First, 준비서기. You get into resistance. Your hand on your chest, open your finger and roll your finger. Make your fist. Move your left foot step side as your shoulder width. Your hands down in front of your belly. Your left hand goes on your shoulder. Get ready to your low block. 1. Turn your neck left. Then left leg make your front stand. 2. Your hand from your shoulder. Bring down and do low block. 3. Step forward and punch. 4. Punch and return your shoulder. 5. Your front foot, right foot, step back and come around. 6. Lock down. 7. Step forward and punch. 8. Your left hand, punching hand, return your shoulder. 9. Turn your neck left and move your left foot, front stand. 10. Lock down. 11. 1 step forward and punch. 12. 1 step forward and punch. 13. 1 step forward and punch with shouting. 14. Belt hand. Left hand goes on your right shoulder. 15. Turn your neck. Move your left foot. Turn 90 degrees. 16. Lock down. 17. Step forward and punch. 18. Punch and return your shoulder. 19. Turn your neck. You move your front leg step back and make your front stand. 20. Lock down. 21. Step forward and punch. 22. Your punch hand, return your shoulder. 23. Turn your left neck left. Move your left leg. Step back. 24. Lock down. 25. 1 step forward and punch. 26. 1 step forward and punch. 27. 1 step forward and punch and shout. 28. Pattern finish here. When 사원님 say 바로, instructor say 바로, move your left leg back. 1. Hands on your chest. 2. Roll your finger. 3. Hands down. Back to 준비 서기. 4. Sure, relax. This is step by step. You can practice your basic pattern number 1. Now I demonstrate whole 기본 일보. Here. 준비. 시작. I hope this video clip help your basic pattern number 1 training. Thank you.